Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to add subtitles automatically to videos on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. Well, adding subtitles to videos on mobile is easy, and I'm going to show you or introduce to you this application called CapCut. All you have to do is to import that video to CapCut and CapCut will do its work. So for example, this video I have here on my mobile phone, this has subtitles and captions. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my CapCut application. If you don't have this one, then you can download or install this on your mobile. Tap on create new project here and then import the video from your phone. And this is what it looks like. Now what I'm going to do next is tap on add. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to simply tap the video. Below, there are options and all you have to do is to tap on this T option right here that is text. And then on text section, you should see the auto caption option or feature on CapCut. Now tap on auto caption. And you have to simply select that language that you want to use here. For example, English. And then after that, tap on generate. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, once done, you should see that captions has been added or subtitles has been added here on your video. The good thing about CapCut is that aside from adding captions or subtitles, you can also edit the text, you can add effects, you can change the font style, you can even add background color to your subtitles here. And then you can also add or remove anything like spaces. And basically that's it. This is just one of the many tools that you can use in order for you to add subtitles to your videos using your mobile. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.